Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a delicious, quick pepperoni and sausage pizza burrito. So let's get started. Yeah, to make our pizza burrito here, we have a plum tomato here, a half of a poblano mildly hot green pepper, and about a cup full of pepperoni already sliced, yep. And a little over a cup of cheese here. It's a blend, like a Fiesta blend. And we have 2 sausage patties that we broke up in the pieces here. Yeah, that should make it taste good. And about a half of a small onion. Now all we have to do is slice this all up here, and then we'll start cooking. That sounds good. Okay, move some of this out of the way here. Okay, we'll go ahead and cut up our pepper. Okay, that looks good. We'll put them in a bowl. Okay, now we're going to slice up our plum tomato here. Okay, and we'll put them in a bowl. All right, we'll put this aside. Now I'll take our half of an onion here and we'll cut that up. It's a small onion. Kind of chop it up. Now we'll put that in a bowl with our mildly hot peppers. Okay. Now all we have to do is start cooking. Let's make our quick and easy pepperoni and sausage pizza burrito. Sounds good already. All right, let's get to it. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high. Put a little oil in the pan here. Let our pan heat up. Yeah, before we forget, I'm going to use our silicone handle here and we're going to put it right on there. Okay, there you go. That's better. Okay, our pan's hot enough. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And to that, we're going to add our onions and our peppers. I'm going to stir that around a little. Get that garlic flavor in there. To that, we're going to add our sausage patties here. There's 2 of them. We'll put them right in there. Now we're going to add a little salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of extra garlic powder. We're going to stir that in a little. Okay, we're going to cover that and let that cook a little bit and let the peppers and onions soften a little bit. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Yep, they're looking good. Okay, they look good. They smell good too. Boy, they really do smell good. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a couple of the slices of pepperoni and I'm going to go ahead and put it right in there to warm them up good. And we'll save some for on top too. So we'll just go ahead and put some in there. To get that flavors all mixed together. All right. Now we're going to cover that and we're going to turn off our heat. And we're going to set this aside. Now we're going to take our 12-inch cast iron griddle here, put it right on our burner, and spritz that with a little bit of oil. Okay. We'll take our large tortilla here, and we're going to put that right in the middle. And we're going to let that warm up a little bit. The burner's still hot enough to heat that up a little bit like we want. Okay, that's hot enough. Okay, we're going to take our mixture here. You know, pepperoni and sausage and mildly hot green peppers and onions and all that good stuff that's there. And we're going to put them right here. Yeah, it looks like I made too much. That's normal. Definitely made too much. Okay. Yeah, I don't want all that liquid in there. So we're just going to try to get most of that out of there without the liquid. Okay, that's not too bad. All right. Let's see if we can get this near the middle here a little better. Slightly to the one side, you know, it makes it easier to roll them up. Okay, we'll get that piece up there. We can actually put more pepperoni on there, but what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of sauce right on top. And let it drip down the side. Okay, there you go. I'm going to add more pepperoni. Yep. And we're going to add some of our sliced tomatoes. They're sliced nice and thin. Put them on there. Yeah, that looks good. Wow. Yep, looks like we have enough pepperoni on there. So, okay, let's go ahead and add our cheese. We're at about half a cup here. Wow, that's a lot of cheese there. Okay. Yep, this one might be a little difficult to, you know, roll up. Okay. Okay, let's put a little more pepper on there. A tiny bit of salt. A little bit more garlic powder. And some Parmesan cheese, yep. Okay. Okay, guys, let's see if we can roll this up. It's going to be fun, I think. Because it's still hot. Wow, look at that. It has got a lot in it. A lot. Okay, let's tuck that in. I lost a little bit there in the corner. Okay, let's bring it up over this way. Yep, I lost a little bit right there, but that's okay. Let's see if we can fix that up. Okay, we'll just go ahead and get this out of there. There you go. Make sure that's tucked in. Okay, is it tucked in this end? Yep. Wow, is that big? Really big. Okay, let's turn up the heat a little bit to about medium. And we're going to cover that and let everything get nice and hot. and hopefully we can toast it up good. Yeah, maybe about 2-3 minutes. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. It's bubbling away good. Ah, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, let's cover that and let that side toast. Okay, let's shut off our burner and see how we're doing here. Alright, let's see how we did. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look at that. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, let's see if we can get that out of there. Wow, look at the size of that. Look at the size of it. Can you see it? How is it everything I make is so big? I don't know. But can you see it? It's really big. Let me see if I can get it in view for you. Yeah, it's definitely big. Alright, it really smells good, and I can't wait to get into that. That sounds good. Well, there you have it, guys. A delicious, quick pepperoni sausage pizza burrito with fresh sliced plum tomatoes, grated cheese blend, and a lot of pepperoni. Yep. And we added a little tomato sauce, and we added some good spices in there. You know, seasonings. Alright, let's get into it. If this tastes half as good as it smells, it's going to be good. Alright, let's get into it. Okay. Let's just see how it is. Wow. Can you see it? I can't believe how nice that is. Okay, we're just going to have a little bite. Oh, yeah. Do you see that? Boy, is it tasty. It's loaded with cheese in there. You can't even see it, though. There's too much meat. And pepperoni. Yeah. Boy, is that good. You're going to love this one. Can you see it? Yeah, you know, it'll go good with that right there. Yep. You got it. A nice wobble pop. Okay. Yeah. That sounds good. Okay, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.